Unlock the secret to instantly grabbing viewers' attention and boosting your YouTube clicks with Nano Banana. Today, we're diving deep into crafting professional thumbnails using Nano Banana, a powerful tool that makes stunning design accessible to everyone. Forget boring or generic images. We're aiming for professional polish that screams, "Click me." First, nail your design principles. Think about what draws your eye on YouTube. We'll focus on strong composition, using the rule of thirds to create visual interest, and employing high contrast colors to make your thumbnail pop. These aren't just fluffy concepts. They're the foundation of a click-worthy thumbnail. Next, image optimization is crucial. Nobody clicks on a blurry thumbnail. We'll show you how to select high-resolution images that are sharp and clear. Even when displayed, small Nano Banana makes it easy to ensure your visuals are always at their best, so your thumbnail looks as great on a phone as it does on a desktop. Now, let's talk text. Your thumbnail text needs to be concise, readable, and intriguing. We'll explore different font choices and sizes to ensure your message is instantly understandable within seconds. Strategic placement is key, avoiding clutter and making sure your text complements, not competes with, your image. Nano Banana offers intuitive tools to help you blend these elements seamlessly. Experiment with different layouts, add subtle effects, and fine-tune your colors until you achieve that professional wow factor. Remember, your thumbnail is your YouTube billboard. Make it count. By mastering these simple steps with Nano Banana, you'll be creating thumbnails that not only look incredible, but also actively engage your audience and drive those vital click-through rates. Get started now and elevate your YouTube game.